Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Tech Videos. In this video, we are sharing with you how to create YouTube channel using Android phone. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never miss any videos. First, open YouTube apps. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the plus icon. In here, click on the create account option. Select for myself. Enter your first name and last name. Next, in here enter your birthday and gender. Next, create a unique email address. In here create a strong password. I have successfully created Gmail account. Click on the next option. Scroll down the page and click on the I agree option. Now click on the profile icon. Select your channel option. In here type your channel name. Then click on the create channel option. I have successfully created my YouTube channel. Click on the setting icon for add channel description. In here add your channel description. If you want to add a profile picture, check description box for video link. After added description, I will show you how to upload video on your channel. Click on the library option, click on the your video option. Upload video, allow. Select a video, which video if you want to upload. Click on the title box for add title. Click on the description box for add description. Privacy public. From here you can also add video location. After add basic information, click on the arrow icon. Now my video is uploading. Wait for uploading. That's for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more videos and thumbs up like button.